A storm lashed Dubai and other parts of the United Arab Emirates this week, causing record rainfall that flooded highways, submerged homes, paralyzed traffic, and confined residents indoors. Originating in Oman on Sunday, the storm intensified as it struck the UAE on Tuesday, leading to power outages and extensive disruptions to air travel, with runways resembling waterways. Ain, bordering Oman, witnessed an unprecedented 254 millimeters (10 inches) of rainfall in a 24-hour period, marking th. Read more at Economic Times. InDearTimes.com/news/international/world news. Dubai's green sky during storm and rain surprises residents as at the rare derech Ortica show 109,396,165. CM source of content of interest as a medium text as campaignst.